single volcano shoots wind.
What does it look like?
A shooter wind.
Show us.
A wind one.
No, show us with your arms. I want my arm back.
That's what I stretch right.
Okay, what does it sound like?
It sounds like.
Okay. Is it dangerous?
Yeah. And then the wind shoots out.
What does it do to people?
The wind shoots out. Lava.
Lava?
The wind shoots out lava.
Then why isn't it a wind volcano?
Because it has lava in the wind.
Okay,
How does
that's a
the
little
lava get
crazy.
in the wind?
Because.
What do you mean?
Wind's really light. Lava's pretty heavy.
And
how is it supposed to go?
And then there was a Daniel in the wind, and then the volcano shoot Daniel out.
So how did Daniel get in
was
there?
Daniel born?